In this video, we are going to see how we can deal with the purchase of services in Odoo. So the transaction is of 18th of January, which says packing charges invoice received from Mr. Anthony. That means the items we are dealing in are fragile items. So we don't have the specialized packing labor or packing unit. That's why we are buying it from an external vendor and they are charging for their services. So these are packing charges directly applicable on the inventory. Just remember that whenever you buy any service that is directly applicable on inventory that you're planning to sell, it should be charged in cost of goods sold. So let's enter this new invoice. First of all, just head over to the vendors in the accounting application, click on bills and click on new. Here we just write the new name, that is Mr. Anthony. Just write Anthony here, create and edit. We'll just make it simple, click on person, and there's no need for making any kind of adjustments. Just click on save, and under here in the invoice lines, make sure we have disabled the products if you directly want to hit the ledger. Otherwise you can just enable the product, and here we just click on search more and click on new, and here we can specify the product as service, like product is service, and we can specify all of this. But here is the simple method of doing this as well. If you don't want to book it as a service, you can just disable the field and just directly write packing charges in the label, and it goes under cost of goods sold, or otherwise you can just search for it. It should go under cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold in 5 section. Here it is. You can also configure it in the purchase journal. Just go to the configuration, click on the journal, and let's say for all the purchase of services, we just want to configure this one because we have already configured it for the purchase of inventory. So let's do for this. So for all the purchases, let's say that this should directly go to the cost of goods sold. So next time we don't need to adjust that, it will automatically recommend us. And that's the power of this software. You can configure the backend entry however you need. So let's continue with this. And now for the purchase module, it will automatically show or recommend that. So anyways, let's continue. The packing charges is of 4,500. Let's mention the price here. It will automatically show it in total. And if you directly want to see the journal entry effect of it before saving, you can just click on the journal items here. So cost of goods sold is debit and accounts payable is credit. Perfect treatment. Just we have to adjust the bill date, which is 18th of January. So 18th of January right here, and all set. Click on confirm, and now it's saved to the posted. If you want to check the profit loss account effect, just go to the reporting and click on profit and loss account, and you should be able to see this in the cost of goods sold here. So if we click on this, you will see the packing charges shown right here. So instead, if you want to show it in some other area, let's say for operating expenses, you can do it there as well. But I prefer to keep it in the cost of goods sold. So here is how you can enter the purchase of services in Odoo. Just try this by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.